create the daisy. So this is yellow center, white petals. When creating daisy, if you have an edge which is not a white edge, which is not facing up or down, the white not facing up or down, put it into the E slice, which is here, like that, and then it's easy to fill. Everything else is fairly intuitive. So that's the daisy. Then align the petals with their center on the side. Put them down. Okay. Here. Align down. Align down. Down. Okay. And then that's your cross. Check the cross actually matches here, so it's not just a white cross, but the cross edges align with their centers, leaving 4 slots to be filled in. So what we'll do is fill in only 3 of them. Yeah, so when filling them in, find in the top layer, search the top layer for a corner which has 3 sides. Find a corner which has white on it. Okay, so here's a corner. Then put it directly above its slot. So this one is the red and green, so it goes above the red and green slot. Then use the 4 moves, MirIS 4 moves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes in. Then find the connecting edge piece, so this would be the green and red edge piece. So I'm searching in the top layer for it, but I can't find it. I find it here. It's in another slot, so I need to take it out of that slot. Use the 4 moves to take it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's in the top layer. And then we need to align the edge that's here into its center. Then figure out, do you want it to go in the left side or the right side? So in this case, I want it to go in the right side. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right side. And that brings up the corner edge pair. You join together here. Turn the cube so the white is facing you, like that. So the white is facing me. Then whichever side it's on dictates whether you do the left side or the right side. So I'll do the left one for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there it is. And then I'll just do the rest of them quickly. So here, here, here. Okay, so that's all 3, and I have 1 remaining working slot. So I'm going to use that working slot to solve the top cross. I'm just going to make this a bit nicer for the example. So when I'm doing the top cross, I have a yellow in the working slot, and I want the yellow to be facing me. So if the yellow was here, it'd be on this side. This one is here, so it's on that side, so it's on the right. The other thing I want to do when I'm doing the top cross is I'm going to put this up to here, and simultaneously whatever's here is going to be pulled down into the slot. So I want to make sure I'm pulling down an unsolved cross piece, which is like a piece with yellow where the yellow is on the side, not on the top. So I put it here. Here's the piece I'm going to put up. So I'll do the move, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's gone up, and I have another piece in the slot. And then this time, because it's the last piece, I'm going to put the piece up, and I'm going to not solve it here or here, but here, because I want to pull this final piece for the slot down. Okay, so I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I have the top cross, and this piece is in the slot correctly. Next step is alignment. So I want to align the cross pieces with their centers. So okay, we have the cross, but here this is not aligned, this is not aligned, this is not aligned, so this is not a correct cross. So what I will do is I will rotate the top layer until I can find 2 pieces which are aligned, and there are always at least 2. So here we go. The green and the orange are aligned, so they're good, and the red and blue are bad. So what I'm going to do is hold my slot in the right as always, and then I'm going to put the 2 good ones into the back left. So the green and orange are in the back left. Now I just do the move, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this breaks the cross, and I just fix it according to the rules of the previous step. So I put the last piece here, and then I just do 4 moves. Align. and now the cross pieces are fully aligned. That completes that step. So now, what we do is solve the last 5 corners. In this case we only have 3, so that's fine. And to do this, flip the cube upside down, keep your slot, your working slot in the right, and then glue your hand, your left hand to the cube, do not let go. And in this step, all you're going to do is either the 4 moves or twist the bottom. If you do anything else, you will scramble the cube. Okay, so here we go. So I look in the top of my slot. So what I'm going to do is move corners in the top of the slot into the bottom layer, into the correct location. And when I'm doing this, I'm going to rotate the bottom layer to find the correct position, and I can determine this by understanding that it fits between the cross pieces. So for this piece, it is green and red. So it goes between the green and red cross pieces here. Okay, so if I do the move now, it's going to move into this position. So I'll do it. 4. Here it is. It's gone in and it's the correct way around. That's great. Now, sometimes what might happen is it will go in, but it will be the wrong way around. Oops, it will be the wrong way around. If this happens, you just repeat the 4 moves until it is in the correct way around, like so. Okay, now I've been lucky, so I've got 2 corners already solved, so I've got 3 in total solved. For the last one, I'm not going to solve it in the normal way. Instead, I need to ensure this top layer is fixed again. Okay, so I'm not going to watch what happens to this, I'm going to watch what happens to the top layer. All but one of the corners should be solved. So, 1, not solved, not solved, not solved, not solved, solved. Okay, that's good. Now in this case I've been lucky again. So most often, or 2 out of 3 times, what will happen is you will still have 2 corners left. So I will just simulate that. Okay. So you'll have something like this, where you've got 2 corners left. So when that happens, you just rotate, keep holding on, keep your left hand glued down and just rotate the cube down like that, so that these 2 corners are in the bottom layer, and then just solve in the normal way. In this case, all you need to do is multiples of 2 of the 4 moves. So for this one I'll do 1, 2, check it, still not, 1, 2, okay, it's solved. Then this one, 1, 2, and it's solved, and that's it, done.